Well, good day, everybody. We're back, and today we're going to do some auto body and some primer and paint work on our 2009.
Dad, it's over here.
Oh, right. On our 2009 FXSTC custom softail. You can see this washer here. It has a slot in it, and you can get in there. You can use a pick and kind of get in there behind and just kind of pull that out of there. But I'll show you a neat trick. If you just, like that, it just pops right out. Okay, Franz, show them the trick. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Oh, that's three-pointer for sure.
Sludge bad, grease good.
Yeah. Sand bad, brake dust bad, grease good. Now we're going to go repack the bearings, which is also going to be fun. 1, 2, 3, not it.
Not it.
I guess I'm going to do it again.
Need a good daub of grease. You add more as you go. Put it on the palm of your hand like that. Okay, that's good, guys. I know you're loving this, but... Well, good day, everybody. I, Sean, fix car. Daughter, help Sean fix. The hell was that?
My goodness.
Well, at least we got sea salt in the car. And barbecue.
Some barbecue sauce.
You never know when you just come across some chicken nuggets in here. They're probably in the console. I'll check. No.
1,000 miles on a Greyhound alone. At least 3,000 miles left to do. Taking and making a simple sound. True needs working cool. It's all in my life.
I'm petting Corin Raymond's dog. I can't believe this. All right, Cord Lund. Tired, baby? Yeah, it's a long day. It's hard being that cute. Just say it's blushing?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it is blushing. Yeah. It's a blushing car.
If you find any obvious garbage, just throw it away. But anything that seems...
Give me that. It's a tuba hardener. Yoink.
Anyways, anything like receipts or anything, just pop it in the box. We might need multiple boxes for this one.
Wait. How's that?
I think that'll work. I'll just put this with the barbecue sauce. That's it, I'm putting gloves on.
Is that a... It is! It's a Christmas tree, Sarah.
Ooh!
Oh, yeah.
Brand new.
Wait, give me that back. That's mine now. One sock. Sarah, did you find a match?
Not yet.
Yeah, keep looking.
So the garbage, the large stuff out. Then you can move to the door cards.
I already did this side.
All right.
Get so excited when we're gonna do this. It's like, just like a dog when you take it for a walk. And like, Sarah, you want to work on the car? You want to work on the car? Yeah. You want to work on the car? Yeah. And then she walked into the fucking wall.
Oh my goodness. You're all dirty.
And she's done. Now we're gonna go ahead and tighten them up using our Cougar socket and ratchet set.
Meow. Now remove the rest of the any timing.
Any timing cover bolts. Okay, we'll do the any time. Well, you big butterball. Don't forget to pet the cat. Oh, you got a leaf? What have you been getting into? Meow meow. Oh, come here, you big butterball. Oh, such a lovey cat. You know, we'd like to get to work here, if you don't mind. And you gotta see this. This is, it's so cute. It should have bunny ears on it. That's the water pump for this truck, car, whatever you want to call it. That's her. Isn't that cute? That is adorable. It should have whiskers on it. I'm gonna use a 10. Oh, I'm gonna use a 10. A 10. A 10. Fuck, shut up already. It's not that funny. Stop laughing. Good Lord. Like you'd never seen an Aveo before. Apparently this is the oil filler hole on this car, not this one. Look at that. It is literally full. That spark plug is swimming in there. I think we need to change the valve cover gasket.
For sure.
For sure, for sure. It's going in there more faster.
More faster.
Okay, now we're gonna stop it, fuck. God damn it, Sarah. It says, fuck, take 12? We're just doing a valve cover here. Yeah, go. Just, oh.
I was gonna show it.
You should show it. Hold on. Now we're, fuck, you say it then.
No, you. Punky's guarding the shop.
Got the tools and some of the equipment you're going to need to do this. Now, whatever you guys have to work with, there's, you know, it's not really a right or wrong way to do this. If you don't have a air tool, use an electric. If you don't have a cutoff wheel, get an arbiter for your drill, which I don't, where did I put the drill? Talking about drills, and there's no drills here. There's all kinds of shagaiva in the world. There it is. Butterball.
Aww.
Wear your safety goggles. Get your gloves. Now we're going to go ahead and break the lug nuts loose using a breaker bar, but since Sarah's not looking, I'm just going to go ahead and sneak the impact on these like that. So shh, don't tell her. That is so much easier, Levy. Just like NASCAR. And just squirt some of these too. Get this guy on the bottom here. Ugh. Just let him soak. Yeah. I've been working out.
Oh, what the?
With the breaker. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. We had a lot of fun doing this, and we hope you had fun watching. Thanks for coming and checking this out. What? Shut up. Good Lord. Why I oughta. One of these days, Sarah. Pow. Zoom. Right to the moon. I'm gonna sell you to the fucking gypsies, I swear to God. Stop laughing. I gotta get this shot. One more time. Don't look at me. Look at the car. Aum. Come on, meditate. What? I'm not the one talking here. That's enough for tonight. We'll split it into a few episodes and I don't know. What are we going to do? We can have some coffee, we'll have some matzo ball soup. It'll be awesome.
Yeah.
Maybe some hot dogs and craft dinner. The fancy stuff.
Mm-hmm. Dijon ketchup.
Dijon ketchup.
Line.
I don't know. Always listen to your elders, folks.
Cadillac made special from 04 to 09. I said, oh, for fuck's sake. So, but except
And listen.
Right. That's not it. He said, oh shit, that's probably from a newer one. I said, that's from a newer
And listen.
Finish removing the lug nuts.
All three of them.
Break the axle nut loose with the breaker bar.
Oh. Hey, Sarah, isn't that an adorable little bunny in the driveway?
Where? What's this?
We're going to show you how to use an airbrush. And what we're going to do is we're going to put like a chick riding a dragon with a sword and maybe a wizard in I'm just kidding, guys. We're just going to spray the yellow, but we're going to show you how to use one. We'll get to that. All you guys with the vans with a little heart window in the back, don't worry. We got something for you too. Don't worry. Everybody gets the show here. Now, when you're choosing an airbrush for your job, there's a very technical way to do this, and I'm going to show you how. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, we're using the Mac. Have a good night, everybody.
Don't forget. Tell.
Dude, you're supposed to wave, shithead. Oh, off camera, I beat you too. I just want everyone to know that. No, it doesn't smoke at all. No, that's dust. That's just, it's windy out.